If I'm involved in an automobile accident in Virginia, do I get a rental car?
So that will depend on the type of insurance coverage is in play. First, you're going to want to look at the at-fault party's insurance coverage to see if their policy will provide that to you while your car is in the shop or while for whatever period of time you need it. If that person's policy is insufficient to cover a rental policy, you might look at your own auto insurance. A lot of people don't realize it, but sometimes your own auto insurance might have a policy that'll pay or reimburse for rental cars in these situations. If you're involved in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured motorist also, your policy may have collision coverage that might kick in to assist with rental car payments.
Thank you.